In this video, I will be showing you how to send money on Cash App. My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload 3 different types of content right now at the moment on YouTube: gaming, video editing, and online money videos. And in this online money video, I will be showing you how to send money on Cash App. But before we get into today's content, I'd like to ask you guys for a favor. Can you give this video that all important thumbs up to help the algorithm? But of course, you can also smash that subscribe button, which will help you find more of my videos that are catered to you. I've built a playlist called the Online Money Playlist, where I cover Cash App, PayPal, and a lot more. With that said, let's get into today's content and I'll show you how to send money on Cash App. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is to open Cash App. Once Cash App is open, we're going to send our money. You can see at the bottom of Cash App here, I have £10 available. I'm on the main screen and there are 2 buttons. There is Request and there is Pay. I'm going to select Pay. Oops, I need to enter the minimum amount. The minimum amount of money that you can send in Cash App is £1. Let's select £1. I'm going to select Pay. At this point, you can enter the name of the person that you want to send money to on Cash App. You can enter the cash tag, a phone number, an email, and you can also add a note. You can see that I have a suggested contact here. I'm going to send this Cash App money to that contact. I'm also going to add a note. Anthony Allen edits. See you there. Now I'm going to enter this person that I want to send this £1 payment to. I can also enable contacts. I currently don't have my contacts in my Cash App, meaning that I have not enabled Cash App to access my contacts of my mobile phone. I'm now going to select Pay, which is in the top right hand corner of the screen. I'm going to use Touch ID. After using my fingerprint to enable the payment, it says you have sent £1 and then it gives the contact's name. You can then select Done. I now have £9 left in my Cash App balance. You can also check the activity of what's just happened. Select the notification in the top right hand corner of the app. You can then click into your recent transaction. You can see the time of day in which the payment was sent, the note that is attached to the payment, how much you sent, and of course you also have the user you have sent the money to. You also have the status of the payment. In this case it says completed. There's a lot more where that came from, and you can find some of that content on screen right here, here, and here. You can also click on my face to subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I'd love to see you in another video. Thank you for watching. You are awesome.